joining us from America, and those of you in Jawa, Barat, West Java, Sampurasun, Wilujeng Enjing. Ya, sarang Kang Den, Akang Deni Bule. Dan saya senang sekali. I am so happy, everybody, to be introducing this great virtual teaching extravaganza that has never been done in my knowledge so far, because we didn't have the technology just a few short years ago to bring you Jaipong straight from West Java all the way to the United States of America. Where else could you get such amazing training from the amazing teachers and staff of the Institute of Arts of Bandung? Oh, I just want to say thank you for this amazing event, because I've never seen anything like it. And we are going to get started right away. I know it's getting to be nighttime for you in America, especially those of you on the East Coast. So we're going to start off with some introductions to really introduce the event to our Indonesian friends and our Indonesians who helped us across the globe to have this amazing event. All right. So, selamat malam para hadirin di Amerika Serikat. Selamat pagi para hadirin di Indonesia. Sampurasun. Salam sehat selalu bagi kita semua. Yang terhormat Kuasa Usaha Ad Interim, the Affairs Office, KBRI di Washington DC, Bapak Iwan Freddy Hari Susanto, hapunten Akang. Hatur nuhun pisan Bapak Iwan Freddy. Dan Rektor ISPI Bandung, Profesor EN Herdianti. Nuhun ya Bu. Profesor EN nuhun. Atas Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan KBRI di Washington DC, Ibu Poppy Rufaida, who has put together this event. Thank you, Bu Poppy. Dan para peserta kelas tari Jaipongan virtual di KBRI Washington DC. Again, we have never seen anything like this. Something good that came out of the pandemic situation is that these teachers from Bandung can visit you directly, just like Dosen Deri. Excellent. Atas pendidikan para peserta kelas tari Jaipong virtual KBRI Washington DC, para pengajar tari Jaipongan se-Amerika Serikat di Philadelphia, New York City, Odessa, Florida. Thank you to all you teachers all across the country, DMV area, dan kota lainnya di Amerika Serikat. Peserta kelas virtual KBRI Washington DC. Oh, okay. Ya, kita akan mulai ya. Tapi sebelum itu, I want to invite Ibu Poppy, who has done such an excellent job doing this groundbreaking program, honestly. And kita akan laksanakan virtual showcase Jaipongan Dance yang diselenggarakan oleh KBRI Washington DC. Pertama sambutan akan disampaikan oleh Atase Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan KBRI Washington DC. Untuk itu kami persilakan yang terhormat Ibu Poppy Rufaida untuk memberikan sambutan. Give it up for Ibu Poppy, everybody. Ya, mangga ya, Bu Poppy, mangga teteh.
Ya, hatur nuhun Kang Den. Luar biasa, hari ini kita memiliki MC yang luar biasa, Indonesianis, sosok orang Amerika, orang bule, ya, bisa bahasa Indonesia, bisa bahasa Sunda. Profesor EN, ini aset kita satu-satunya mungkin di dunia, ya, makhluk langka ini, Kang Den. Luar biasa, dan beliau itu adalah seniman, bisa memainkan suling, alat musik suling. Yang mudah-mudahan kita ada kesempatan untuk mengundang beliau untuk nanti tampil untuk memainkan suling Sunda. So we would like to thank to Indonesian Embassy in Washington DC, particularly to Charge the Fair, Mr. Iwan Freddy Harisusanto, yang telah mendukung pelaksanaan kegiatan virtual showcase Jaipongan Dance. Jaipongan Dance hosted by the Indonesian Embassy for the last 14 session during spring session. So we are very happy with all the enthusiastic participants from California, from Florida, from District Columbia in Washington DC, in Maryland, in Virginia, and many area in the US who really love to learn about Jaipongan dance. Kami sangat menghargai upaya-upaya yang telah dilakukan oleh KBRI Washington DC untuk menyediakan kesempatan untuk melestarikan kebudayaan yang berasal dari Indonesia, khususnya dari Jawa Barat. Kalau kita perhatikan pesertanya ini semuanya adalah kelas berat berbobot ya, yaitu salah satunya Ibu Margo. Ibu Margo Rose Lederer ini adalah seorang dosen di University of California Berkeley. Dan background beliau itu adalah urban planning tetapi mampu menarikan tari Jaipongan. Kemudian juga ada dari area lainnya ya, Bu Amanda, Ibu Kesi, Bu Lu yang hari ini hadir. Kami pun juga mengundang, kami di dalam pertemuan hari ini kita akan menyaksikan tidak hanya penari Jaipongan yang belajar di KBRI Washington DC, tapi juga adalah penari Jaipongan yang sudah bertahun-tahun menarikan tari Jaipongan, belajar pada seorang sosok pengajar tari Jaipongan, Ibu Maureen ya di MV area, dua kakak beradik yang nanti kita akan saksikan ya untuk menarikan tari Jaipongan Bajidor Kahot. Kemudian juga kami sangat bangga mengucapkan terima kasih atas upaya-upaya yang telah dilakukan oleh diaspora dari yang ada di Amerika Serikat, yaitu Ibu Yuli di Odessa, Florida yang memiliki sanggar untuk mengajarkan tari Jaipongan, kemudian juga kepada Ibu Ruli di New York City yang juga mengajarkan tari Jaipongan, kemudian Ibu Sinta di Philadelphia yang juga bekerja sama dengan Fleischer Art juga mengajarkan tari Jaipongan, dan kita melihat sosok-sosok luar biasa. Tentunya ini adalah aset luar biasa Profesor EN sebagai Rektor Institut Seni Budaya Indonesia, yang mana tari Jaipongan ini diminati di Amerika Serikat. Nah, kami memiliki kelas virtual untuk Jaipongan Dance yang ini adalah sesi semester kedua. So we are going also to offer the third semester. Yeah, the third semester we have already had around 20 registrants for attending Jaipongan Dance during fall session 2021. So welcome to all participants who are already registered for this coming fall for Jaipongan Dance. Kami juga mungkin nanti akan mengumumkan beberapa informasi kegiatan virtual class yang diselenggarakan oleh KBRI Washington DC. We are not only offering a Jaipongan dance virtual class, but also we are offering Indonesian language class for beginners, intermediate, and also advanced class. We are also offering Javanese langgam singing or menyinden lagu Jawa, yang juga pesertanya kita nantikan mudah-mudahan bertambah untuk pendaftaran ini. Sekali lagi kami mengucapkan selamat kepada seluruh peserta yang telah mendaftar. Kami juga mengucapkan terima kasih dukungan dari Rektor ISBI Bandung yang membantu kami dari sejak awal kelas Jaipongan Dance ini dilahirkan, diluncurkan. Berkat dukungan tiada henti dari Rektor ISBI Bandung yang memiliki kesabaran, akhirnya kelas ini bisa terbentuk. Beliau juga mendukung dengan mengirimkan pengajarnya, instrukturnya, yaitu Kang Dery, sosok muda Tehpir, ya, kemudian ada Kang Tioba, yang semua upaya-upaya dari ISBI Bandung itu dicurahkan dalam rangka agar kesenian dari Jawa Barat, khususnya tari Jaipongan itu bisa direalisasikan. Dan ini adalah mungkin yang pertama di dunia virtual dikerjasamakan antara Kedutaan Besar Republik Indonesia di Amerika Serikat dengan salah satu institut seni budaya ternama di Indonesia. Terima kasih kepada Prof. EN. So we really thankful for having Professor EN for very tireless effort for supporting Indonesian cultural activity in the US, and then we are going to see the performance from all participants who already attended this class. Demikian mungkin sambutan dari kami. Sekali lagi selamat menyaksikan tayangan dari para peserta kelas Jaipongan ini, dan sekali lagi kami mengucapkan terima kasih kepada seluruh peserta pendukung acara ini. Terima kasih. Kami persilakan kepada Pak Den. Ya.
Hatur nuhun pisan, Bu Poppy. So many great programs that are coming our way if you're in the United States, coming from the embassy. And I am very excited for this event because I finally get to meet the rector of my favorite university in the whole world, the Institute of Arts of Bandung. And it's an honor for me to meet you, Bu En. And this is amazing what you've put together with the embassy. So without further ado, let me introduce Professor EN. Selanjutnya sambutan kedua akan disampaikan oleh Rektor ISB Bandung, Profesor EN Handayani. Kami persilakan. Mangga, Ibu.
Mangga. Hatur nuhun Kang Dan, luar biasa pisan, luar biasa. Hatur nuhun, bahasa Sundanya saya pisan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun.
Rapes.
Mohon izin saya menggunakan bahasa Indonesia ya.
Mangga.
Alhamdulillah atas berkat Allah Subhanahu wa taala bahwa pada kesempatan ini saya sampai berkaca-kaca begitu ya, merasa bangga begitu dengan KBRI Washington DC yang pada dalam program-programnya selalu mengangkat budaya Sunda dan tentu seluruh budaya Indonesia, dan salah satunya adalah budaya Sunda yang terus digaungkan. Tentu kita juga bersyukur bahwa pada kesempatan ini kita diberi kesehatan sehingga kita bisa bersilaturahmi dalam acara showcase Jaipongan secara virtual. Luar biasa sekali, betul kata Prof. Poppy tadi bahwa ini adalah acara pertama di dunia untuk melaksanakan program ini. Tentu saya sangat mengapresiasi. Terima kasih saya ucapkan kepada Kang Dan ya yang membawa acara dengan sangat happy begitu ya. Dan tentu mudah-mudahan nanti lain waktu kita harus bertemu Kang Dan ya. Saya tunggu di Bandung. Yang saya hormati Duta Besar KBRI Washington DC dan jajarannya, dan juga yang saya hormati dan saya banggakan Ibu Prof. Poppy Rufaidah atas pendidikan dan kebudayaan Washington DC beserta jajarannya yang terus berkiprah untuk mengangkat dan menggaungkan keragaman budaya Indonesia di Amerika, dan juga khususnya budaya Sunda. Ini sudah luar biasa sekali, dari tahun yang lalu kita terus menggaungkan itu. Yang saya hormati seluruh keluarga besar KBRI Washington DC, yang saya banggakan para peserta pelatihan tari Jaipongan ya, yang sekarang akan menyajikan hasil pelatihannya, Bu Margo dan yang lain-lainnya yang sangat luar biasa. Ini menjadi kebanggaan bagi kami karena Jaipongan ternyata dicintai oleh masyarakat luas khususnya di Amerika. Dan juga terima kasih para pelatihnya ya, yang Kang Dery, Teh Pierre gitu dari kami dari ISB Bandung, dan juga Tioba yang sudah berjibaku untuk melaksanakan program ini. Tentu juga apa yang saya banggakan seluruh hadirin yang hadir pada Zoom ini. Saya mengaturkan selamat dan sukses kepada Bu Prof. Poppy yang telah siap untuk membuat program-program yang sangat luar biasa di masa pandemi ini. Upaya-upaya yang terus dilakukan untuk mengangkat seni budaya Indonesia di kancah internasional sangat kami apresiasi. Mudah-mudahan program-program ini terus digaungkan agar seni budaya Indonesia, khususnya budaya Sunda, semakin dicintai dan oleh masyarakat luas. Saya juga mengucapkan terima kasih banyak ya tadi mendengarkan sambutan dari Prof. Poppy yang sangat luar biasa begitu. Bagaimana kelompok-kelompok budaya Sunda di Washington DC juga sangat banyak, dan tentu saja waktu, tempat ini sudah tidak lagi menjadi halangan. Dengan adanya perkembangan teknologi ini harus kita sambut baik, bagaimana kita mempergunakan teknologi untuk hal-hal yang sangat positif. Dan tentu harapan kami ke depan bisa kita terus berjalan program-program kerjasama ini. Dan saya seringkali menyampaikan atau ini menjadi contoh dan menjadi motivasi ya bagi anak-anak muda atau generasi muda di Indonesia. Coba lihat gitu ya, coba lihat bangsa Amerika, orang Amerika saja begitu mencintai budaya Indonesia, khususnya Sunda. Masa kita tidak akan mengabaikan begitu kekayaan budaya ini? Dan ini selalu saya gaungkan kepada teman-teman generasi muda. Dan sekali lagi saya mengucapkan selamat. Kami sangat bangga dengan meluaskan jejaring ini, sehingga kami dikenalkan dengan berbagai kelompok-kelompok yang mencintai budaya Indonesia di Amerika. Terima kasih banyak. Saya sudah tidak sabar lagi untuk melihat pertunjukan ini, dan mudah-mudahan kerjasama ISBI Bandung dengan KBRI Washington DC terus kita lakukan. Banyak hal yang bisa kita kerjakan. Misalnya juga kita bisa melakukan pelatihan gamelan dengan jarak jauh. Mudah-mudahan itu nanti ke depan bisa kita kerjasamakan. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat menyaksikan dengan acara ini. Mangga, hatur nuhun Kang Da. Hatur nuhun Bu Poppy.
Nuhun Professor and nuhun Professor Poppy, and we're going to get started with some amazing testimonies from the peserta. I also want to say, ayan nu di Facebook Live ya teh, nuju di Facebook Live ya, aba-aba, aki-aki nini sampurasun, nuju nonton di Facebook Live, hatur nuhun kehadirannya. Dan sekarang kita mau saksikan testimoninya dari peserta dari KBRI. Gimana ini kesan pesan? Pasti senang semua karena ya luar biasa belajar Jaipong dari jarak jauh. Mantap.
My impression of Indonesia was, as a social scientist, seeing an entire universe within one country. I felt I could spend the rest of my life traveling there and never get to experience everything Indonesia has to offer. And I feel the real opportunity for anyone to go there is you get to see what a culture looks like who has really been able to keep their indigenous culture integrated within the dominating religious influence.
So my first question is, what do I like most about Indonesia? And there's so much that I absolutely love about Indonesia, it's hard to pick one thing. But one thing for sure that I absolutely love about Indonesia is the culture and the dance. And Indonesia has so many different types of dance. Hundreds of different styles of dance. I'm mostly familiar with Balinese, Central Javanese, Sundanese, and Jaipongan, and a little bit of Betawi. So if I had to pick one thing that I love most about Indonesia, I would say it's the dance and all the different varieties of dance.
Saya bernama Margot Lederer. My name is Margot Lederer dan saya belajar sejak tahun 1974 tari Sunda, tari Bali, tari Jawa. What I really love is the mass dance tradition of West Java, and I've always wanted to learn this, Jaiponglan, which combines Pencak Silat with some of the traditional Sundanese dance movements.
I am having fun in learning Jaipong dance because I learned the technique of the martial arts combined with the gracefulness of the movement of Sundanese ladies. And it's becoming very, very unique, and also that makes my body and my posture better because all the movement and all the lesson is very stand out.
My name is Swati Clark. The most memorable for me learning this Jaipongan dance virtually that's sponsored by the Indonesian Embassy is knowledging the technique. Learning virtual is not as easy as I thought as learning in person. But we have a professional that break up these dances. This beautiful and graces mix between the beautiful of Japanese women and the martial art movement. It's so interesting as this is the first dance that I learned from Indonesia.
Selamat pagi, saya Wanti Syarif dari Washington DC. Saya berterima kasih kepada Kedutaan Besar Republik Indonesia, khususnya Kantor Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan yang telah mengadakan pengajaran tari Jaipong, tari Senggot. Kami akan melestarikan dan ikut mempromosikan kebudayaan itu dengan mengikuti festival-festival yang ada di MP area dan mungkin juga ke seluruh Amerika, komunitas Amerika.
Amazing, luar biasa. Karena memang di luar negeri.
I chose to study Jaipong dance initially, not understanding that Bandung, the city where I got chosen for the Dharma Siswa scholarship, was part of the particular pop culture of Bandung and of Sundanese, in particular, the region being unable to have women dance for 300 years, and Jaipong being the form that came as a response to liberating women's power on a sensual level and as a leadership level, showing ferocity and also grace and humor. And I really appreciate Jaipong for the similar reasons that I appreciate Indonesia, and that you really get a connection to this old ancient lineage with secret rock and roll undertones and women's empowerment.
My second question is, what do I like most about Jaipongan dance? So I love Jaipongan dance, and the thing that I love most about Jaipongan is that it's just so much fun to do. It's playful and it's flirty, and you can use like your free expression. You know, I love the other styles of dances too, but in the other styles, the expression is like for Javanese, it has to be very, you know, controlled and subdued. And for Balinese, it's very, you know, dramatic and specific. And that's great too. But for Jaipongan, you have a little bit more freedom in terms of expression. Like you can smile, you can flirt a little bit, you can be sassy. So that's what I love most about the Jaipongan style of dance.
I really enjoyed this class. I want to thank our teachers, Pak Dery and Mbak Firi, and thank the embassy for hosting the class. Saya mau ucapkan terima kasih banyak atas guru-guru, termasuk Kang Dery sama Cik Firi, dan saya mau ucapkan terima kasih pada Kedutaan Besar, apalagi Bu Poppy. It is a pleasure for me to continue studying Sundanese dance in America. Thank you.
I will perform what I already know now, the Jaipong dance, anywhere, anytime I have chance to represent one of the beauty of Indonesian culture and one of the beautiful Indonesian dance. Thank you. I am Ratna Kerry from Washington, D.C.
My message to the diaspora who's living in America is, please take the lesson when you have the opportunity. The Indonesian Embassy is giving you the opportunity to take this lesson. No matter where you are, the Indonesian dances will carry you. So to keep the tradition going, I really encourage you just to take it. It was fun and very memorable. Thank you. Merdeka!
Kami juga berterima kasih kepada para pelatih Kang Dery dan Teh Fitri yang begitu sabarnya mengajar kami secara detail, secara sabar, dan sampai kami dapat menyelesaikan satu tarian. Dengan pengajaran itu, kecintaan kami kepada kebudayaan tari Jaipong sangat bertambah.
Tepuk tangan dong. Luar biasa. Wah, hebring euy. Thank you to all of the participants in the class, both from the Indonesian diaspora and to you Americans, my fellow Americans, who have such amazing insights into the beauty of West Javanese culture. So, and all Indonesian culture, of course, but with West Javanese, they can bring their culture up. Wow, they'll be like Bali. And I'm so glad you got to witness that firsthand from your great teachers, Kang Dery, Teh Fitri, but I call them Aa Dery, Neng Fitri, because they are much younger than me and much better because they're so young at teaching you those skills. And I just want to give a shout out to all of our participants. Again, Amanda Rose Loveland, you saw her from Santa Cruz, California. Casey Lee from Bakersfield, Casey, Bakersfield, California. Margot Rose Lederer in Berkeley, California. Glenn, Mr. Glenn Yusuf Chueto was not able to be in the video, but he was a great participant as well from New York. And then to our Indonesian diaspora, a lot of them near the embassy, and you heard them. If you are watching this and you want to learn Jaipong or you want to learn silat dari Kang Dery, Aa Dery, mangga atuh lewat KBRI. But Bu Setiawati Clark, Bu Seti, Hatur Nuhun, Virginia, Bu Natin Diaz Rahmat, Springfield, Virginia. And I believe I've met some of you when I went to Silver Springs a few years ago. It's so great to see you. Bulu Andarawati in Santa Cruz, California, on the other side of the country. And Buratna Iswayuni Chari, Carrie, I believe it's probably Carrie, but we can say Chari. I'm looking for you, Cari, karena keren banget. Sai pisan dari Silver Springs, Buratna. Okay, lanjut. Oh yes, I should not forget. We also have Stephanie. I believe they're coming up soon, but Stephanie Paindong and from Gabriela Paindong in Boston, and Bu Stephanie's in Herndon, Virginia. Oh yes, they're going to be doing a dance for you quite soon. The Baji Dor Kahot. Stick around. Don't go to bed yet, those of you on the East Coast. Okay, we are going to continue now to what does the class look like? Seperti apa itu kelasnya kalau mau gabung sama ini acara virtual dancing? Ya, coba kita saksikan.
Ya, sekarang ini. Oke, pemanasannya kita cukup. Tarik nafas dulu. Enough for warming up. Take a breath. Inhale. Again. Exhale. And down. Yeah. And going up. And down. Last. Up. Went up. Stretch. Went down. Adeg-adeg. Ya. Oke. Cari music. Oh. Begini.
I'm hoping that everyone can show all your skill in performing the Jaipongan dance and then wearing the outfit, the outfit that provided.
Aaderi, Ning Fitri, and everybody who participated in that amazing class. I hope you took advantage of those few minutes. Learn some movements. Oh, you would have to come to Bandung to learn that. Now it's coming to you. Bandung comes to you. And it's so cool. Keren pisan. Okay, we need to hear now from the teachers. Testimoni pengajar yang non KBRI. Oh, mangga.
Hello, my name is Sinta Penyami Storms from Modero and Company in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I have been teaching Jaipong dance for about 10 years now in Philadelphia, from the classical Daun Pulus Keser Bojong all the way to the new creation of Bajidor Kahot. And I think it's something that everyone should learn. Is definitely an Indonesian treasure with the dynamic movements, combining martial arts and also some feminine movements in there. So everybody should be learning Jaipong. And I have the pleasure of recently went to Jatinangor to Padepokan Jampiring Parikesit to learn from Ibu Heti. So this is something that I'm very fond of, a choreography that I teach my students and really learning the ins and outs of Jaipong and the West Javanese dances. So thank you so much to the Embassy of Indonesia for always offering these types of opportunity for the general public and for everyone to be learning traditional Indonesian dances. Thank you so much for including me. Terima kasih.
Oh, thank you, Jacinta. And so many opportunities. I want to welcome all of the people, all of the participants in the Indonesian language class. Those of you who are learning Bahasa Indonesia right now, you'll be so relieved. It's such a practical language because centuries ago, this area, there was a ton of trade going through here, mainly because of the spices of the East. And so it became a very practical language. Honestly, it really should be the international language because it's just so much more practical to speak. Unfortunately, that's not what happened in history. And we are learning English, teaching English to Indonesians, but actually native Indonesians need to be teaching Bahasa to us. So I'm so excited to see that development. And thank you to all of you who have joined the class. Get your friends too, because it's just an exciting way to learn when you're learning together. You take a trip to West Java, or you want to go to Bali after the pandemic. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So get your Bahasa Indonesia ready. All right. So we're going to keep going now to the dancing. Tari Jaipongan Bajidor Kabot. So many great styles within the genre of Jaipongan. And I'm going to sit back and learn because it'll never end. Because so many great, what we call sanggar, so many amazing places you can study in Jatinangor, like Bu Sinta said. You can go anywhere. And the great artists are developing their own teaching classes. This has been happening for centuries, if not millennia. They pass it down via their family, via their friends. It becomes the tradition, and it's still going. And I'm so excited to see all of you continuing to help the West Javanese people and in many other places in Indonesia. But I'm very biased towards West Java because, as you know, it's so dynamic. I could go on for days, but let's watch Jaipongan Bajidor Kabot. Manga. The amazing dynamic duo, the sisters, Gabriela now in Boston studying, and Stephanie in Virginia, but they got together. Bayan Dong sisters, that's excellent, and thank you for showing us that unique style of Jaipongan, just from the great Sangar, I'm sure. All right, let's move on right now, and it just keeps getting so good. Thank you to all of you who participated in this amazing virtual class. All right, we're going to have a video now from the teachers at the embassy. So without further ado, let's see it.
And I believe for anyone that is from the United States, being able to see a connection to one's cultural heritage while living in a modern age brings a lot of inspiration to one's personal connection to finding their genetic ancestral lineage. This is my most impactful experience in Indonesia.
That was Amanda Rose Loveland again with such amazing insights into the culture of West Java and in Indonesia in general. Just so great to see, my fellow Americans coming and actually studying here and being able to take away back to our country these great lessons, many great lessons we as Americans need to learn as we learn the culture and realize some of what's been buried. We realize, wow, what potential there is if we can reignite this, not just in West Java, but in our own country. We know our story of the Native Americans of our country, and it's a sad history, and it doesn't have to be sad anymore if we can help in our own country too to bring up these amazing traditions that the earth needs right now. And so I'm really, really encouraged to seeing all my fellow Americans. I'm from Chicago, but California, of course, is the place where I like to be driving up the coast. There's no place like it. And now let's go to some tampilan tarian peserta KBRI Tari Senggot. Do you know what the Senggot dance is? Well, you better wait and find out. Here is Tari Senggot.
Jamuan
Saya pisana tuh. Yeah, I want to use a little bahasa first to just tell everybody. Yeah, saya pernah nonton tari senggot, tapi nggak pernah dari semua titik di Amerika sama orang diaspora sekalian dengan backdrop. Ya, luar biasa. Dan terima kasih semua videographer juga, semua orang teknis yang bantu. What I'm saying is, I just have never seen that dance done across the United States with Indonesian nationals in the United States. And I mean, doing it at the same time with those backdrops. What an amazing choice of backdrops, giving tribute to so many areas of the West Javanese culture that I so appreciate living in West Java. I'm now in BSD, Bumi Simkuring Damai di Banten. This is actually more West Java, actually, but yeah, with history and everything. We are relying on you, our cultural experts in these dances from ISB, from Bandung, Professor A.N. and Professor Poppy. It's just really amazing. And we are gonna, wow, we're doing very well with time too. I've never experienced an event that does so well on time. Wow, hatur nuhun pisan, lancar banget. Dan ya, terus terima kasih semua orang teknis, videographer, the people behind the scenes as well, who we rely on now to do this great type of performance via video, because yeah, it can be used for great things, as we can see, to preserve and promote the culture of Indonesia with these technical aspects. It can bring us together more easily than it can divide us. Technology can do that if we use it wisely. So thanks to all our experts. I know a lot of you are in Bandung, and a lot of you too helping out. What a great collaboration. Okay, so that was Tari Senggot, and we're going to have a testimony now from the dynamic duo, as I've been calling them. Of course, olden days, the dynamic duo was Batman and Robin, but this is Stephanie and Gabriel. There we go. Let's hear about it.
Hi, I'm Stephanie. I graduated George Mason University in May 2020.
Hi, I'm Gabriela. I'm a Berklee College of Music student, and I'll be graduating in December 2021.
In 2016, we learned this Jaipongan dance, the Bajidor Kahon, at Spotlight Studio, Maryland, that was ran under our teacher, Maureen Amelia.
We wanted to learn this dance because we have been dancing since we were little, and we wanted to have a more diverse repertoire of Indonesian dances that we could show to our friends, our family, and the general public, and to be able to share our culture with the world.
Speaking of friends and family, my own friends and coworkers who have seen me dance have always said how colorful and bright our dances and costumes are.
My friends who've seen me dance are always fascinated with how intricate the costumes are made and how the movements are just so beautiful, and we're really glad. This is a really great honor for us to be able to use our skills to show the public our culture, our beautiful Indonesian culture.
We hope you enjoy.
The Bayandong sisters, Stephanie and Gabrielle, studying at amazing universities, and I wish you the best of luck in all your endeavors to bring your culture to the United States. Because yeah, many brilliant minds from Indonesia, they'll come to the United States, but they don't have the insight into the culture that you do. So it's really exciting to see that. And best of luck to both of you, Stephanie and Gabrielle. All right. We're going to see now from the embassy, who has, of course, coordinated this amazing educational event to promote, and really it needs to be promoted, this culture. I've been doing it by myself. It feels like by myself, but never has been, because I've had the support in Chicago from KJRI, the Consulate General of the Republic of Indonesia. Without them, I would not be able to do what I'm doing today, is to help promote the culture, and then meeting the great people in the embassy to help with this. It's just a very, very inspiring thing to see, with the education and the culture that is being uprooted. We know in Bali that what Indonesian culture is. Everybody loves Bali. Bali is a paradise. And it's the same for the whole Javanese island, and it's the same for Kalimantan, and it's the same for all of the islands. Sumatra, it's the same for Nusa Tenggara. It's the same for Papua. Papua, we know that we love their culture. They're close to their native culture, but of course there are these influences, and history has happened. We can't do anything about history, but we can do something about the present to help our native brothers and sisters in Indonesia to appreciate and to bring back their culture. Amen and amin. Let's go now to the video from the embassy, the Pengajar KBRI. All right. We have again Aaderi Neng Fitri, and sahari hilap hapunten pisan.
Tioba.
Tioba, hatur nuhun sadayana. Neng Fitri, Aaderi. Oh, thanks to your teachers, of course, from, again, my favorite university in the entire world. And I've been to MIT. University of Chicago. I went to university in Texas. I've been to every university, Ivy League schools, and I still say my favorite university in the entire globe is ISPI Bandung. Dulu ASTI. We knew it as ASTI back in the day. Yeah. And I would be nowhere without that university, because the men who brought me up, they're now men, but we were boys back then. We had a band called 100%, and they brought me into the band. Thankfully, they let me sometimes because they were really, really good, really, really tight. They rocked so many stages, 100%. And now those guys are now professors, some of them, Dosen Uli, and many of them, I've lost touch with many of them as I've moved to BSD, Bumi Sim Kuring Damai. But anyway, Bandung is not far away. My wife is from Bandung. I met her in Bandung, and so we live in Raja Mantri, and we love Batu. Oh yeah, I will be back soon.
Harus ditunggu.
Hatur nuhun, Professor EN. Now, we are getting close, and I just want to say thank you again to the Aaderi and the technicians who have done this, because I've never done an event. I've emceed a lot of events, and I've never emceed an event that was on time. Usually we're an hour behind schedule because we have to give all the dancers have to get ready. And there's this problem, and the lead dancer had to run away. Their kid had a problem, and so this is the first one that I've been on time, and I think even ahead of time. So thank you again to the great planning from the Dubas from KBRI. Thank you again to you technicians who work behind the scenes. And yeah, so let's go now. We're gonna hear again from the professor who helped us to really make this event happen, our help there at the embassy. And this is Professor Poppy. Professor Poppy, please, let's hear from you now.
Okay. Thank you so much, Pak Den, as the MC today. Really great. You are one of the enthusiast MC I've ever met. And then you master 3 languages. American, of course, English, American accent, and then Indonesian language, and then Sundanese language. This is amazing. So this is one of the example. Learning language is not so difficult, it's so easy. But then based on the request from viewers, and then they would like to repeat again to see the performance Jaipongan dance by Indonesian embassy participant. Yeah, so we will allow to repeat again the video of Jaipongan dance performed by the participant from Indonesian embassy. So please allow us only 5 to 6 minutes. So we are going to watch again the performance from the participant from Jaipongan dance from Indonesian embassy. Please, the crew to show the video.
Jaipongan, let's watch it again because this is where it's all at right here. classes, and that is the hasil luar biasa. Memang luar biasa karena itu di luar dari Bandung, dari Jawa Barat ke Amerika. And what a great bringing up of the culture. Thank you to everybody who participated in this virtual Jaipongan event, to everybody who has done your part to help the West Javanese people preserve their culture, to give a awareness to the people of the West Javanese people, to give them an awareness that their culture is something of great value that needs to be preserved, that they must love their language that they've preserved. They must love these dances. They must love the martial arts, the pencaksilat, all of the dynamic musical instruments that have come from West Java. It's just super exciting to see that this is being preserved via online. I know we're all tired of screen looking, but when I see this kind of thing happening on Zoom, I'm like, yeah. So thank you to Professor Poppy, and thank you to Professor E'en, and all of our participants, everybody behind the scenes. And I do believe now, Professor Poppy, we want to take a photo, or maybe we should take a screenshot of everybody.
Yes, agree, yeah. Okay, maybe everybody could open all the screens, so we're going to have a photo session all together. Timnya bisa bantu kru. Okay, with the big smile. Yeah, okay, open. Nova Wakari still close. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then next screen. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Pak Den.
Thank you, Professor. And I thank you to all of you. I see on the screen now, some of you I'm just seeing now for the first time. Thank you for being here until the end of the performance. I know we have a lot of participants, but thanks, and everybody who I didn't get a chance to name by name, thank you as well for all of your great help and participation in this event. All right. Should we have some closing words now from Professor Poppy?
Okay, thank you so much, Pak Den. So we would like to invite the instructor of Jaipongan dance, Kang Dery. Kang Dery, would you mind to show up here and then say some word? Yeah. Ya, Kang Dery bisa mengucapkan sedikit kata-kata.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi dan selamat malam di Amerika. Terima kasih untuk pihak KBRI Washington DC, terutama dari pihak Dikbud di Washington DC. Kami ucapkan terima kasih telah mempercayakan kelas Jaipongan ini kepada Javier, kepada Mas Tioba, juga terima kasih buat WN yang sudah percaya banget sama kita, dan terima kasih untuk para peserta yang dari awal sampai akhir sabar mengikuti kelas Jaipongan ini, dan terima kasih juga telah menyajikan tariannya dengan begitu indah, begitu baik. Terima kasih banyak. Tidak ada lagi kata yang lebih berharga dari terima kasih banyak untuk semuanya.
Nuhun, Dery. Wilujeng tepang deui di Bandung.
Nuhun. Tehfir ada hadir? Tehfir?
Siap, Ibu. Terima kasih. Izin saya tadi translate mungkinnya dari diri karena sebagian siswa
partisipannya Inggris ya,
Inggris ya.
Okay, you may translate.
Sebelumnya terima kasih yang terhormat Ibu Rektor beserta jajaran, ada Ibu Lilis, ada Ibu Eti, kemudian Ibu Poppy dari Atase Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan, Ibu Retno beserta jajaran, terima kasih banyak. Well, first of all, I would like to say thank you, especially for I told Ibu Poppy, Ibu Retno, And then the embassy at the Washington DC embassy, and to all, of course, my lovely participants who joined the Jaipong class, because you all have been loyal and patient till the end to join this class. So, well, I felt very pleasant and full of happiness because the enthusiasm from all of participants was giving we as a teacher, me, Dery, and Tioba, while in the class, a very positive energy, and also making the moment in the class very warm and exciting. And thank you for beautiful present. The dance is very make me and Dery, maybe of course Tioba, so emotional when we see that. We're so proud of you guys. As always, we always love you. Hope see you again. And class, maybe I would like to say sorry for our mistake while we in the class, what we have do in the class. I'm so emotional, I'm sorry. So Ibu Poppy, maybe kalau yang sudah mengikuti kelas ini nanti kelas selanjutnya bisa ikut nggak sih? Boleh ya. Oh,
so we will inform ya. We will announce after this session. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mbak Bir. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Maybe we would like to invite also Kang Tioba, the crew. Yeah. We cannot see the performance of Jaipongan dance class without the assistant from Kang Tioba. So we invite Kang Tioba. Would you like to say some few word? Boleh pakai bahasa Sunda, pakai bahasa Indonesia, Kang Tioba. Ada, ya. Kang Tioba?
Ada, Bu. Ya.
Oke. Okay.
Sekali lagi saya juga mengucapkan terima kasih atas kepercayaannya kepada Bu Rektor, kemudian Bu Poppy dan jajarannya. Sebetulnya saya juga tidak banyak tampil di kamera, justru saya ada di balik layar, tetapi saya juga betul-betul mengamati setiap pertemuannya, bagaimana perkembangan dari ibu-ibu, kemudian para peserta lainnya. Jadi tiap kali pertemuan itu selalu ada progres, dan saya rasa itu yang menjadi sebuah kebanggaan bagi kami, Kang Dery dan Teh Fier, di mana meskipun kita ada jarak, yaitu daring, tetapi para peserta dapat menyerap materi dengan baik, dan itu menjadi sebuah kebanggaan bagi kami tersendiri. Juga sampai Teh Fier dan Kang Dery mengeluarkan air mata, itu merupakan sesuatu yang mungkin tidak bisa diungkapkan oleh kata-kata, tapi sungguh emosional ya. Paling dari saya sedikit saja, saya tidak banyak tampil di kamera, tapi saya hanya ngirim email, kemudian pemberkasan dan lain sebagainya, admin Zoom. Tapi saya juga sangat bangga juga kepada ibu-ibu, juga Yusuf yang mungkin tidak dapat menampilkan videonya, bagaimana setiap progresnya itu adalah obat tersendiri bagi kami, kerinduan tersendiri bagi kami. Terima kasih. Ternuhun sekali lagi, Ibu.
Okay, thank you so much, Tioba. So we actually have the only male dancer at Jaipongan dance class. Unfortunately, he couldn't submit the video due to some technical problem. But we are hoping Yusuf still can be joined a fall session Jaipongan dance. So Yusuf, keep your spirit high. You are still going to be part of the Jaipongan dance class in this fall session. So we would like to inform our virtual class for this session. So we would like to thank to Indonesian Embassy in Washington DC, Bapak Iwan Freddy Harisusanto, who always support our activity. So we are going to have fall virtual classes hosted by Indonesian Embassy, Washington, D.C. So we are going to perform the virtual opening ceremony this coming Friday, on September 24th at 7 p.m. And then we also will host Indonesian language class for beginners, for intermediate, for advanced level, and also, of course, Jaipongan dance. We have already around 22 participants registered. We are hoping to have more coming after you watch this performance. And also, we're still waiting number for singing Japanese song class or menyinden langgam Jawa. And this also, the class has been screened by Voice of America. So really thankful to Voice of America, who has been also giving the best review about our Indonesian virtual class. So please register at this link, bit.ly virtual classes, ya, virtual class reg. Kami mengundang ya yang akan mengikuti kelas virtual dan juga ikuti di Indonesian in DC social media, Indonesian Embassy social media in Facebook or also in Instagram and also the Twitter. All the information are available. We also have email to all around 233 participants who has registered in this coming fall virtual classes, and then it will be held every twice in a week, yeah, every week. Okay, this is the information that we would like to inform to all the participants about the virtual class of Indonesian Embassy. We also would like to inform that the audience or the viewer who watch this session, not only in the US, but also from other country. And also I'm very happy, one of the great designer, Hengki Kawilarang, also watched this performance. Yeah, Kang Hengki Kawilarang, orang Sunda. He is one of the greatest designer, where the design has been shown in New York and in any country, most in advanced country. Terima kasih sudah menonton acara ini, ya.
Afternoon, Kang Hengki.
Okay. Yeah, afternoon, Kang Hengki is watching in Facebook Live. Oke, thank you so much Pak Den yang sudah menjadi MC hari ini, dan juga Ibu Rektor yang juga dari awal sampai dengan akhir, bahkan dari sejak program ini digagas, ya. So we really thankful to the support from Professor EN as Director of Institut Seni Budaya di Indonesia di Bandung. We have been prepared this since last fall in 2020, and then tireless support from Professor EN is amazing. And then we had a phone call not only in the evening, 12 a.m. early in the morning until 12, and then late afternoon, late evening. Thank you so much, Prof. EN. You can see, yeah, okay. I think we are going to close this session. So before we are closing this session, we would like to thank to all participants who are attending this session. And then the link of the show can be repeated again in Facebook Live at Dikbud page. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Professor. Yeah. Thank you, Professor EN, Professor Poppy, everybody who has joined us. What a fantastic event. Don't forget to sign up for those great opportunities. Learn to sing Javanese. Sinden. You can do it. And you'll learn so much about music in general. So don't forget to sign up. Hatur nuhun pisan wulajeng patepangdeui. Mangga.